let's talk about something that's on every business leader's mind right now. How do we use the incredible power of AI without putting our company's data at risk? It's a huge question, and that's exactly what we're going to dive into today. Hey everyone, a big hello from all of us here at WeblineIndia. We're the folks who help businesses like yours tackle these kinds of complex tech challenges every single day. So we're really excited to share some key insights with you on how to adopt AI securely. You know, our expertise really covers the whole spectrum. We build custom software from the ground up, develop sleek mobile and web apps, and of course, we're deep into the world of AI/ML. That includes some really cool stuff like agentic AI, where AI agents can actually perform tasks on their own. It's all about making your business smarter, more efficient, and way more innovative. And that really brings us to the big multi-million-dollar question, doesn't it? You see the amazing potential of these large language models, but you also have this absolute non-negotiable duty to protect your company's data and your customers' data. So how do you get the best of both worlds? Well, this situation has a name. We call it the Cloud AI Privacy Dilemma. It's this constant tug of war between that exciting push for innovation and the critical need for rock-solid security and privacy. Let's just break that conflict down for a second. On one hand, you've got the incredible upside of AI, making your teams wildly efficient, enabling smarter, data-driven decisions, and getting a serious leg up on the competition. But on the other hand, using those public cloud AI services opens a can of worms. You're looking at potential compliance nightmares, the risk of your secret sauce, your intellectual property leaking out, and worst of all, potentially losing the trust your customers have in you. And these aren't just vague fears. We're talking about specific pitfalls. Every time you use a cloud AI, your sensitive data is traveling over the public internet. It might be stored in a different country with totally different laws. You have to place blind trust in your vendor's security protocols. And there's even a risk that your data could be used to train models that your competitors might use. For a lot of businesses, that's just a bridge too far. Okay, so if the public cloud is basically a minefield of risk, what's the plan B? What's the alternative? How can you get all that AI power, but with complete, total, 100% control over your own data? The answer, and it's a powerful one, is to bring your AI in-house. We're talking about an on-premise solution. This is how you reclaim total control over your AI strategy and, most importantly, your data. So what exactly is an on-premise LLM? Well, think of it like this. It's an AI model that lives on your servers, inside your data center, safely tucked away behind your firewall. Nothing goes out. It's really that simple, and honestly, that's what makes it so incredibly effective. And when you have that level of control, it unlocks some amazing benefits that can completely change the game for your business. The first, and you could argue the most important benefit, can be summed up in just 2 words: absolute data sovereignty. What does that actually mean in the real world? It means your proprietary information, your customer lists, your trade secrets, none of it ever leaves your network, period. This automatically puts you in compliance with all those tricky data residency laws like GDPR, because your data literally stays put, right on your own premises. Now, the second huge benefit just naturally flows from that first one. You get massively enhanced security and much, much simpler compliance. Just think about it for a second. You've already invested a ton of time and money into building a robust security infrastructure. With an on-premise AI, you just extend that same trusted framework to cover your new model. Your firewalls, your access controls, your audit logs, they all apply seamlessly. All of a sudden, compliance isn't this scary, complicated thing anymore. And finally, let's talk about something that's absolutely critical for any innovative company: protecting your intellectual property. When you fine-tune an AI model on your own data, you're essentially encoding your company's unique knowledge, its secret sauce, right into that model. By doing this on premise, that incredibly valuable, fine-tuned model remains your exclusive property, with zero risk of it leaking out or being used by anyone else. And hey, this isn't just theory. Look at how it applies to different industries. For healthcare, it means keeping patient data locked down and HIPAA compliant. For financial services, it protects sensitive customer info and those secret trading algorithms. Governments can even run these models in totally air-gapped networks, completely disconnected from the outside world. It is a genuine game changer no matter what industry you're in. Okay, so the benefits are crystal clear, right? But the next logical question is, how do you actually do it? How do you bridge that gap from this great idea to a fully functioning, secure AI system running in your own data center? Look, let's be real for a minute. Implementing on-premise AI,
is not a walk in the park. It's complex. It requires some serious expertise in things like GPU hardware, container platforms like Kubernetes, and model integration. But this is exactly where a partner comes in. This is what we do. We handle all of that complexity for you so you can stay focused on the innovation part. So, are you ready to get started on your own secure AI journey? Let's talk about how you can take that next step with total confidence.
The best way to learn more is to visit our website at WeblineIndia.com. You can also shoot an email directly to our experts at info@WeblineIndia.com. And of course, give us a follow on social media to get all the latest insights. And hey, if you found this explainer helpful, do us a favor and subscribe to our channel. We're always putting out more content just like this to help you stay ahead in this fast-moving tech world. So I'll just leave you with this one final thought. Are you ready to finally unlock the true power of AI, but to do it on your own terms, where your data is always safe, always secure, and always yours? Thank you so much for watching. We really hope you found this valuable. If you did, please share it with any friends or colleagues who might also find it useful. And don't forget to like and follow for more.